Well, the shop got new lights. You don't think about shop lighting that often, but boy, as you get older, you, you do. These are 40 watts each, 4-foot long, 2 LED lights in them. It's hard to believe. That's a little over, 100, over 100-watt bulb, 120, but over 100-watt bulb. How much light you get with an LED? They were $35 a piece. One end has a receptacle and the other end has a plug. So all you need to do is have one wired outlet, and you can put, I forget how many, I think they said 20 of these together, but in this example it's just 3. And what's nice is if you wire that outlet up above to be switch operated, let me show you. You can turn them all on or off at one time, or each light can be independently controlled. So if you're doing this, you might consider a switch operated outlet. You can always hardwire these, but a switch operated outlet, and then just plug them into each other, and they have very long cords. And then you can control the light the way you need it in your shop. The hardware that it came with is fantastic. I wanted flush mounting, and I just put it, I put some 2x4s right up against the metal shelving that I got from an old Walmart going out of business. And you can also use their hardware that has 2 little hooks for the light, and then 1 hook that they provide you with these really cool looking brackets. Super easy to install this. It takes literally no time whatsoever. But let me tell you what I did with these brackets. I did a little bit different. I mounted them on the back of the 2x4, like so. So the little hook was on the back. And I brought the extra wire that came with the cords, and I zip tied them behind it. So these were really handy with that. I'll take a picture and let you see what that looks like. So for a couple of dollars, I have all brand new LED lighting. I did leave these 2 fluorescents. They were the newest ones, and they worked fine. But eventually they're going to become LEDs. And again, I just wired them as though they were outlets, and I switch operated them. So I can control all of the lights individually or in sections. Something to think about. I'll catch you on the next one.